Hey, you didn't take a bite of that crayon?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? What's in your mouth? Nothing's in your mouth?
Whoa.
Let me see your chin.
It's not from the chin.
Oh, well, what's that?
And this is sugar
It's a sticker?
from this crayon.
But you didn't put it in your mouth?
Yeah.
No, we don't put crayons in our mouth.
It's kinda. Can't get that.
No, don't take the paper off.
I want to take it off.
Just color with them, honey.
I want to take it off.
No, I said no. Let me see your teeth. Yuck.
Made it all.
No.
Made it ready.
Dinner's ready.